Alright, backtesting every day until profitable day 71. I have to check now. 71, I think. Yeah, day 71. So yeah, let's go. This is where I left off yesterday, by the way. So I think it was a pretty, yeah, it was kind of like a few break-even trades. But yeah, we're still going really well. Now in March, yeah, going really well. So let's see. Let's put up fork structure on here. Alright, so let's see where we are in the charts. So Thursday going to Friday, 19th of March, 2021. I'm gonna put a different type of music on. So it's Friday, 19th of March. Okay, so Fed announcement at 9 a.m. So high impact news for this day. Let's see where we are in the charts. Okay, let's see here. So ES all-time highs, 7 SMT at all-time highs. And then we are holding this singular weekly busy on ES still. NQ is trading lower. Let's see where we are here. And then on NQ, I see that we closed below the singular 3-day busy here. Trading a lower, taking out all these equal lows, and then, oh yeah, I remember now from yesterday. So this is all low resistance, also a trend line, which we're holding, but it's all low resistance because there's no imbalance until here. And now we took out sell side here and have a reaction higher, and then still hold this inversion literally to the tick there. But I would be expecting bullish prices here again, just off having a SMT in a like discount of that range. While we're still trending bullish, we're still in a trending bullish market, so I won't call tops or bottoms in this case. Won't call tops in the bullish markets. So yeah, let's see. You have equal highs above here. I have an SMT there, but on NQ would be equal highs. Trading lower, I have no singular inefficiency here on NQ, so that would be equilibrium, which I think, yeah, we are inside of. And then on ES, also have nothing here. Maybe a forced 1 week. We actually have a forced 1 week, really small one here. Oh, and then yeah, of course we have this. What is it? Was it 2 or is it 3 day actually? See in this leg here, that was a singular 2 day, but then we are still holding that busy as well, which is higher than that busy on a 2 day there. And then on NQ, we are also holding this singular inversion, so that as well. So we'll have to mark equilibrium here. So yeah, still looking or am looking for bullish prices this day. Looking at the liquidity here, we do have an SMT at this low, and then I think, yeah, maybe a singular 30-minute here, but it still has 29 minutes for this candle to close. And then no other news than that Fed announcement. Let's see, I would be bullish here. Trading a lower, taking out all those equal lows. Yeah, I'm looking for this to be an inversion, which we do inverse now. See, oh, we have a gap there as well, so it'd be a 3-minute, which we also closed above on this, 9:51, so in the right time. And then now, yes, stepping into that singular busy here. So this looks like a good setup. Let's open up Notion as well. So that's the losses, that's the break even. This could be the wins. All right, let's see. So this is the trade. Break even is going to be at this high, or break even is going to be here on the S. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. Tapping into that singular busy also, which I had marked out on the weekly. And now getting that reaction, and it was on the 3 minutes. So let's see here. What I want to do, and that's a loss, really unfortunate. Copy image. Looked really good, but yeah, this wasn't there. That's going to be a loss. Looked really good. Yeah. Still I have the bullish bias. Yeah, now one loss on the day. Alright, see what we do now. So nothing here. The take equal lows on this. That is in the 2 minute, I think. Let's see here now. 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So it's a singular 5 minute. Yeah, but didn't take equal lows on that, so that's nothing. Would still wait. Nothing here. Still in the right time. Let's see. I'm looking at these lows now. Now take equal lows, but no inversion there. And this outside my trading times to go to the PM session. And have like this, yeah, pretty unfortunate I got stopped on this here. But we're still trading higher. The bullish bias is still there. This would be the low hanging fruit. And ES also there. So let's see, hopefully we, okay, so are already traded lower. Stepping into a singular 50 minute busy here. And on ES, singular 30 minute, also tapped into there. Taking out all these equal lows. We do have a big lag from here, which probably would be, yeah, it's a 3 minute. But let's see, I do need to see manipulation at 13.15. So we need more structure here. We have this trend line here that I'm looking at now, which we at least need to sweep equal lows now, which we do. Taking out equal lows on this. And we close above this as well. So I'm going to take this again. And if this is going to be a loss, if this is going to be a win, then it would be it for the day anyway. This will be the inversion. Taking out the equal lows, having the bullish bias. That'll be the entry. Break even would be at these highs. Or no, these highs on yes. Let's see here. Okay, so that's a break even. That's good. Let's see what first CPU is going to be. Yo, Leo, how are you, man? Did you take anything today? Any trades today? So let's see where first CP is going to be. We'll be at stage of accumulation. My bad. Which will be on the 2 hour, so swing high there. Yeah, so be on the 2 hour here. So first CP will be at this, if this is how 103, which it isn't. So it's going to be a first fixed 102 TP, if you want to get there even. We have price at, or stops at break even, let's see. And that's break even trades, which did prevent me of getting fully stopped out, so that's a good thing. Copy image, put this in the break even. So I can still take another trade, but still haven't taken out that buy side up there. That is also a good thing, let's see. Do need to see again form or again take out liquidity before going there. You have this trend line holding here now. Let's see, now take out all those lows, all that trend line liquidity. And then 1 more minute, no closure above. Yeah, nothing here. But still wait. I'm gonna have some tea at those lows. Still in the right time. It probably would go. Yeah, probably would do nothing here or go without me here. Still in the right time as well. Nothing here. Okay, so now we have taken these equal lows. I've created a SIBI here. Still in the right time. Let's see. And we close above, so this will be an entry. Really tight stop. That would be the equal lows. Market execution, first TP or break even will be at a 1-1 fixed, which will be here. And break even will be at this on yes. And then first TP is going to be inside of a 1 and 2 to 3. Yeah, it is going to be first TP, and let's see if we even get there. So that is a break even, which 1-1 must break even. This is first TP, 75% would go off here. Full TP would go here, or 1508 would be there. Okay, so this is 75% off at this high. And then either get a break even or TP, or it's 1508. So nothing here. Let's see now. Okay, so that's a break even trade, and did prevent me of getting fully stopped out and also outside kill zone, which is really good. So really nice trade on this. One trade, one loss. Overnight was beautiful, but I couldn't be in front of the charts because of school. I have severe headache all day. It sucks. I'm hearing a lot of people that are sick these days. I hope you get better soon, man. Also took one trade today, and was one loss. And I made a how can I say it? Not like a I made sure, like, I learned something out of it, and it's like a big change. Nothing to my strategy or anything, but it is a big change. So what I did is I took out the 4-day time frame, and maybe this sounds like, oh, that's not really that crazy, but took out the 4-day time frame, and that 4-day time frame was telling me that, okay, we're bullish again, but I didn't really trust the time frame. Didn't really have much data on it. And the weekly, so one time frame further, if I can show it here. Let's see. So on the 4-day, on here on ES, we had a singular busy here on the 4-day, which would have been here. And because we were inside of here, I was looking for bullish prices again, but still I was leaning more bearish. But I always say, like, I'm trading what I see, not what I think. But yeah, the weekly inefficiency was all the way here, and we still had liquidity below there, so it doesn't really look like much. But that in this case was, we were at the time, we were like right here, and I was bullish again. But if I was looking at the weekly time frame, then I would still be bearish until this got hit. So that's just a pretty big change. Maybe it doesn't really sound like a lot, but now I've made my decision on that. So I took out the 4-day. And yeah, that's it. So yo, where is the goat? What's up, man? 75% off there. Yeah, copy image. So yeah, that'll be a Friday. Go to Monday, where we have Powell speaking. And this week, well, already have 2 times Powell speaking this week. Yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so buy side got taken there. Okay, so this does look good for bullish prices. This has already been taken on yes. And then next target will be the buy side up here, which is a stage of accumulation. And next target will be all the way up there. Let's see. Yo, we can try with the mod, try to set it. Shouldn't be that hard. Yeah, it shouldn't be that hard. I think it's somewhere in let's see, actually, because you have to do it in here. Then you have to make one, and then yeah, that's gonna be mod. Oh, you can of course get this one as well. Leo is already a mod, so you can have this as well. I already made that, or I didn't really. So I can just give you that then. Let me check. Are you online on the? Oh yeah, you are. Yeah, your mod. Where's? Oh, but I meant YouTube. Oh yeah, bro, you can definitely get that. that should be really easy. Bro, I thought you were talking about Discord. Yeah, you could do Discord as well. And now, did I remove it now or what? Alright, we're gonna do that later. Let me first do the analysis for this day. So we have the busy here holding, still have the Tron liquidity there. Oh yeah, let me make the mod then. On YouTube pretty quick. If that's, I hope it's easy. Busy there. And then on a yes, we still have to create some there. Low hanging fruit would be the buy setup here. Here as well. And then we do have this singular 50-minute. So if that gets close above, then that would be even more. Yeah, probably will take this anyway. The first candle, let's see. Yeah, okay. So nothing there. Extra control, people say, so there won't be down bets dropping the M for real. Yeah, it could be. No problem. I'll do the with permissions for moderating chat. I'll do roll with. Yeah, Leo, you know best. I do the roll with permissions for moderating chat. Yeah. If you can, Leo, that'd be great. The problem is moderate roll is all. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, do if you can, then thank you. I'll try to make where is a mod. Yeah. Let's see. In YouTube. Oh, it's really easy. You can. Alright, yeah, whereas is a mod now. Does it say anything to your next to your name, whereas? Yeah, still have to 22 minutes for that. Let's see. Hopefully you don't instantly drop into the or pump into the buy setup there. It's the Monday and Paul is speaking at 9 AM again. Okay, so there's the buy side, which is unfortunate, but yeah. Next start will be the buy setup there, all the way up there. Am I? Yo, cool. Yeah, sick, man. Where's my I have Leo as my mod, I have Where's as my mod. Nice. Yeah, so the 10 AM candle opening is now here. Here as well. And then we did create a singular busy there on ES, which is now all the way lower. Like, I don't need for it to trade into that. I'm still bullish, taking out the equal lows now. Okay, and we did close above, so that's an entry there. All the low resistance highs up here, so that's also really good. And then here, so break even is going to be at this here on NQ. Or here on yes, which is actually really tight again. I think it's also has to be with this, has to do with this here, because my stop losses aren't always this tight, but let's see. So that's already break even. Let's see. Trade lower, and let's see what it would have done. And yeah, that would have been it. That would have hit TP there. But yeah, I always say like this price action, I don't want to be in there. We did hit TP, but still a really choppy price action. Copy image, will be break even trade. Yeah, in this case it did work, but like it isn't always like a choppy price action and then you run to TP. It could be running instantly TP, and that would be of course way better, but this isn't always like this. It's just if I compare it to like that 2023, then this is, yeah, then this is worse, I would say. Not to blame it on the year, of course, but yeah. Go to the PM session. Wow, really big push from here. Let's see if we already took a buy side. We didn't yet, but yeah, in the second stage distribution, and you could clearly see that that is always the most or the quickest run inside of a market maker buy model. And nothing here. Nothing here. Let's see what we have in this leg now. Okay, so do have a singular 12-hour here that I didn't see. I still have that inversion as well. So I don't want to remove that. Let's just remove this one then, because that's higher. And this should be used as, because that was using it as resistance and shouldn't be using it as resistance now. So let's see from here. Let's look on ES, close below this. There's no imbalance in here. And then on NQ there also isn't anything here, but second stage distribution, just looking at the structure now. 1350 needs trade lower, or 1330, or just at least a manipulation lower. Have all these equal lows here now. We did just take them, and okay. We did just close above here. I can still take this entry. Yeah, I can still take this entry, but break even again is going to be really tight, which is going to be at the equalize on ES. And on NQ it's going to be, let's see, we'll be up here. But still really tight break even, but we'll see what happens. Can I remove accepting rules by directing directional message? I want to do what's Discord offering. Yeah, I thought that was like a... Can you make it something different, that it's still, you have to accept something still? For like... people don't really see or read the rules, but I don't know, I just like it. Can you make it somewhat different then? Like, what do you need it for? Let's see, that's already break even. So yeah, again, let's see if you have an instant run. No, we don't. And do we have anything after? Okay, so that could be an entry forming here. So I'm just gonna mark this out here. Put this in Notion. So that's again a break even trade. The draw is still there. Like this has been taken on ES now, which is actually ES is still more bullish. Oh yeah, then of course, yeah. So we took out equal lows now. Yeah, and there's no trade here because this would be my break even, and ES already took it, so there's nothing there for me. Okay, now take equal lows on this. See what we do here now. Okay, so this again looks way better. Now we took out the equal lows here. Didn't take out this liquidity, so that'll be my break even, and here would also be my break even on NQ. Taking out the equal lows, having the singular inversion here. Rule screen, remember storing the server, it's better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, of course. I know what you mean. Yeah, that's really cool. I wanted to use that, but I didn't know how to do that. But yeah, that's really cool, Leo. So this is gonna be, let's see, it's gonna be the break even, and then first CP would be at least a 1 and 2. But let's see if we even get it there. So that's a break even on ES, because ES took the buys it there. And then first CP has to be at least 1 and 2, or a target inside of wave 1 or 3, which there isn't. So it would be a 1 and 2 first CP. There, and let's see here. So that's break even, and did it prevent me from getting fully stopped out, or it's outside my kill zone anyway, so nothing there. I will mark this out in my Notion. So here, Sigma Dylan, I think you should put chat on your screen so we can see our messages. Yeah, should I? I think it's pretty easy, but I think it's really easy. I think it works. Okay, you try to type something. TGR does it. It's nice. If it should work actually. Yeah, it works, I think. Maybe sub count 2. Nah, that isn't necessary. I don't want it to make it look like I'm actually going for like that's not the goal. It is pretty cool, but it's not the goal. Oh yeah, that's outside the kill zone, of course. Go to Tuesday. Oh, yo, Harris, calm down. So that's Tuesday. So Paul's speaking at 12. So go to the PM session now. Pretty choppy, so good that I avoided that. So still have the draw up there, which is the stage of accumulation. And that will be here on or yes, so I'm not gonna even mark it out there. Trading lower. And then what were we holding here? We have a single 1 hour here, which is all the way lower. We can just mark it out here. Let's be low hanging fruit. Here on yes will be low hanging fruit. And let's see, so looking for bullish prices. I do need to see manipulation lower before we go higher. Otherwise I'm not interested. Taking out equal lows on the S. Have a Sibi here, let's see. Nothing here, still wait. Taking out all these equal lows now. Dropping all the way lower, well. Wasn't expecting that. Nothing here. Do a 50-minute here, which I think will close below. We have 4 minutes on this. And then ES does have this range here. Because there's no imbalance there. We did just have equilibrium as well. Yeah, it works. SMT. Hey bro, call or afterlife? Let's actually see. Bro, I do want to call. We haven't called in like a week. But I don't know if my girlfriend's still gonna be awake then. Or I sound like a sim. No, I love my girlfriend. Yo, Marcus. But Kevin, otherwise tomorrow I got school and I'll be home at like 1 p.m. Then I go to the gym really quick. Then it'll be like what time will it be then? Just before market open then tomorrow. Yeah, let me know, man. Ah, bro, yeah. What about Marcus? Yeah, Marcus, how are you? Have you taken any trades today? Yeah, so drop lower here. Wait until 2 p.m. now. So yeah, we did take all these equal lows. Still inside of the optimal trade entry there. Let's see if you can close above here. Nothing there. Now we did take the equal lows on this. Then we break even. Nothing there. Let's see on here. Tapping into the singular inefficiency, which is on the 1 hour. And then we just close above this inversion. And then we do have another inversion here, but that's fully closed in with this candle. So this can be an entry after sweeping the equal lows, which is all in here. And then yeah, ES did the same, but don't have to mark that out. And then break even will be at, see, stop below here. Break even will be at let's see here, which is still sideways 101. Oh, and then break even will be here on ES. Let's see. Nothing here yet. Nothing yet. That's a break even. 1 to 2 would be first CP or stage of accumulation inside of a 1 to 3. So this is outside, or not a 1 to 2 yet. This is. And then let's see. This is beyond 1 to 3. So be fixed 1 to 2 first CP if we even want to get there. Let's see. Oh wow, that's crazy. Literally on the tick. It is what it is. Copy image. Oh wait, what? It wasn't on the tick. Oh yeah, it was. Okay. Yeah, very unfortunate. Put this in Notion. Yeah, sure, bro. I've been in Montpellier a month now, bro. How long will you be there? Like 2 months. Submit a formal application to your girlfriend. Took a short on copper. I worked out lovely. Nice, man. Minimum of strayers. Yeah, really unfortunate this one. Still inside my kill zone. If another side performs, then I can take it, but does need to form. Let's see. Buy is still bullish until the buy set up there. Yes, is really choppy here. Taking out one low, taking out equal lows there now. Oh, this looks really, really choppy. Nothing here yet. That's outside my trading time, so nothing there. Go to the next day. Here. I have a singular busy here still holding. Still have the stage of accumulation target there. You have equalize up here now. So yeah, trading lower, and then on ES, I have a singular busy here. And then we do have pause peaking at 10 AM. Where I have to wait for. And then also in this leg, have a singular 1 hour. No, not 1 hour. Singular 2 hour here. So yeah, I have the inversion there. And on ES, still holding that 2 hour, but still bullish bias. So let's see what we do here. I have to wait until Powell speaks though. That'll be at 10 AM. Let's go all the way there. Or huge up lower. Well. And that will be here. And here as well. Okay, so drop all the way lower. Totally going through all of this. So it looks pretty choppy because ES is all the way above here. I have a really big SMT. And then we are respecting this singular 6 hour busy. Still have the buy set up here. Just learning about macroeconomics there. Yeah, then have Christmas in Switzerland. Nice, man. Not with your family. I tried convincing Dylan to try out SMT IVG. Sadly, he didn't want to. Yeah, it's like whereas I would love to test it, but it's like I have so much data behind my model that I created. Like it would be, even though it is trading a IFVG, it's a whole different model. So it'd be a entire different strategy with entirely different data that needs to be behind it. Like there's that'll be just starting from zero again for me. So yeah, nothing here. Still respecting that busy, but this looks pretty bearish. Let's see if we get anything here. If we do close above, then that would be an entry. Even though I don't even like this, but it's completely or not completely. It's showing my setup, just so it's just taking the setup here. Having the inversion on here, taking out equal lows on there. Reacting off the low of that singular busy. Stop second lowest candle. Break even will be at this high. Or what is it? Here on ES. Actually, no, that's that high. Oops. So let's see here. Nothing there, so let's break even on ES. Still really bullish bias, but we'll see. 1 and 2 will be first CP. Or inside of a 1 and 3, inside of this market make a buy model, but it doesn't look like there's anything here. So let's see what we have here. And it does look like it's going to TP here. Let's see. So nothing here yet. Still waiting, and does look like, yeah. Alright. Again, really unfortunate. Copy image. Break even. So going to the PM session now. Trading a lower. But we still are inside this singular and we did respect it with this candle here. So I have this singular 6-hour BISI, and then ES is also respecting the singular 1-hour BISI. So I'll still be looking for bullish prices, but I don't think there's going to be anything for me this day. But let's see. So I can remove this. Yeah, let's see. This is like again one of those scenarios where I am bullish, but we're just keep on trending lower, and yeah, probably is going to be no setup. Let's see. We do have a 3-minute here. Do we close above? We took one low there. We took out equal lows on yes. Okay, so that is an entry. Let's go back on this. Still in the right time. Didn't even see. Is it? Yeah, it is. 13:45. Let's go back. Did it again. So here on ES, we're still inside of that singular 1-hour BISI, taking this low and this low, having a singular inversion here, which we close above, literally with a tick. But that would be the trade. Pretty big stop loss. This would be really tight break even. And let's see if we even get it, not that break even, but let's see. So I saw that. That's a break even. Has to be at least a 102, or inside of a 103 for a stage of accumulation, which will be here. I'm looking at now. What will that be though? Yeah, that would be a 4 minutes. Yeah, so first TP will be at here. Stage of accumulation, which is a 2.11 RR. Let's see. Or it's going to be break even again. Which surprised me. Okay, so that's break even. And that did prevent me from getting fully stopped out, so that's a good thing. Copy image here. And another break even trade. Yo, you guys are going crazy. They are there right now. Oh, nice, man. Nice. So, snow Christmas. Nice. Right? If EU close, I'm up 10.36% this 2 trading days. Bro, what the hell? Oh, you mean this one, wears? Or that previous one? Yeah, I at least need to take a 1 and 2 wears. So nothing here, and this is my trading time, I think. No, but still, let's see if there would be anything here. Then still inside of the trading time. Still took 1 loss on the day, or no loss on the day, so I can still allowed to take trades here. Took out equal lows again, reacting off that singular 1-hour BISI, and then again have the inversion here. It's still inside of the right time as well. Let's see, that'll be break even. Let's see here. And that's a break even. I think this is going to be another break even trade, or 1508 is there. Okay, so that did prevent me getting fully stopped out, but it's good again. But yeah, crazy trades. Copy image. Oh shit. It's in Notion. So much profit left on the table. Yeah, I at least take the 1 and 2. Whereas like, if I'm look, I want to look at this data and see, like, I want to have this all played out, but maybe from all my data I can see like, oh, if I would be more profitable if I would take a 1 to 5 TP first TP, you know, maybe I would be more profitable then. That I can see from my data. What is this crackhead strategy? It's the IFEG. I updated all permissions in all channels. Also, chat moderator role is created with right permissions, so everything is configured. Pre-join screen is also done, bro. That's insane, bro. That's what the hell? Let me check with another account. Let me do that real quick. Let's see, because I have a account that I tested it on before I. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. Leo. What the hell? Wait, what? Can't I? Wait, how does it even work? How does it even work? Does this need to be on here? What is all this? It's okay. Wow, nice, man. That is so good. Thank you, Leo. Yeah, nothing here. Go to the next day, which is Thursday. Only AM session trading because of the medium impact follower news. Yes, it have to. Discord requires. What do you mean? Like that screen in the beginning, that you have to do that, you mean? Or did you mean something else? So yeah, here now, what we're respecting here, a weekly, yeah, so a weekly busy still inside of there. Again, I have all this buy up here, but now trading lower. And then we did close below this daily, but again I have a daily SMT while I'm still bullish, and then I have no inefficiency in here. So yeah, I would drag on optimal trade entry now, same on yes. We're not even close there yet, so probably equilibrium here. We did just tap equilibrium and then have a SMT inside of equilibrium. Still with the bullish bias. But this doesn't really look... we do have all these equalize up here. I have an SMT there as well, but let's see what we want to do. It will only be AM session trading because of medium impact follower news, but let's see. So nothing here yet. Taking out equal lows, but there's no inversion in there. So wait. Okay, nice reaction. Nothing here. Pretty choppy on the S. Taking out all these equal lows now. What time is this? We'll wait until 10 AM now. Just gonna be here. Same here. Nope, tasks. Oh, you mean oh, really? Otherwise you can't speak, you mean? Let me rejoin. Cool. Oh shit, it is in the welcome channel. This is really cool. Oh. Oh yeah, then you still have that on there. Wow, that's really cool. Yeah, nothing here. Would wait. Taking out equal lows here now. Looks pretty choppy. Nothing here. Inversing this entire thing here. And this is almost going to be the AM session. Oh, and this is the whole AM session. So nothing here. Outside my trading kill zone there, and we'd go to the next day now, which is going to be Friday, and there's no news on that Friday, so we'll skip that also. Let's see what these days we're doing here. So eventually you got to run higher in the the last trading hour. Wrecked off equilibrium there as well. Really beautiful on the ES. But yeah, ES and Q is still behind a bit. Let's see now. And then wow, NQ actually had a pretty big drop here. But this is now, oh yeah, Friday, no news there. Go to the next day. Next day is going to be Monday, we have no news there, so I skip this day. Tuesday you have medium impact for news, so I do trade this day, and then only the AM session again. Again, have to draw on liquidity, the buy side there, not taken out, and then really close to it. So that looks pretty good. Please take partials more often. My win rate's 20% higher because of this. It went from 55% to 75%. I know you're one Chiromo, but there's no reason to reinvent the wheel. That's yeah, that's really true. Whereas that's really true. But I need my partials, otherwise it's not profitable. Or I need the way how I do it, otherwise it's not profitable. Because the taking partials would ruin like my actual TP. Like when I am on side, like I need to take that. Like I don't have huge runners of like saying a 1 to 8 RR, but I need to have at least that RR, you know. Yeah, we're going lower from here. Bid in first this here on a 30-minute, which is not doesn't say anything yet. So trading up top trade entry on here would be a 1 hour minimum. Nothing here. And then on NQ we did close below this 2 hour. But yeah, we're also respecting this busy still. Actually looks really bearish from here. Do have equal lows from here, but still that bullish bias. And then that's a 30-minute. Let me check. Yeah, it is a 30-minute there. Let's see what we do from here. Only the AM session trading again because of medium impact follower news. Let's see. Drop all the way lower. What time is this? Would wait until 10 AM now, which is here. Nothing here. Really choppy here. Looking at these equal lows. Now I have a SIBI there as well. 2 SIBIs here. Let's see. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I have a singular 3 minute there, which we did close above here. Again, will be a really tight stop. I think it's because this year ES is moving way more than NQ does. Look how more bullish ES is and how much more it moved. Maybe that's the reason why break-even will be here. Maybe that's the reason why it's so much more break-even, or so this tight break-even trades. Oh, actually, break-even's here. What am I saying? But still. Or here on ES. Yeah, let's see here. Okay, so that's a break-even. Minimal of 1 to 2 first TP. It's going to be here, and then let's see if there's a stage of accumulation inside of a 1 to 3 there. That will be beyond the 1. Oh, that's actually first TP. Let's see if this is actually the market maker buy model or stage of accumulations. This will be stage accumulation, this as well. Okay, so it would be this here, yeah. Let's see here. So break even now. Let's see. Let's see if we want to get there. Doesn't look like it. This is really choppy now on ES. And Q really doesn't want to move now. Let's see. And oh, thought that was a break even. So only AM session trading, what I said, but I can let my runners run the whole day. Let me just go back on that 3 minute where I took it on because it's taking really long. 14:30 or 14:27. Oh shit. 15:08 would be full TP, which is here. Oh, that's exactly there as well. 100% off there. So let's see. That was a 1 to 7. 1 to 7. What am I saying? 1 to 1.7. RR. And then this was first CP, which we didn't get. Yeah. And then copy this into Notion. Yo, Darius. What's up, man? How are you? Bro, but RR doesn't matter. Your win rate matters. You have lots of break-even trades. I wouldn't say RR or win rate's better than win rate. Like your RR could be 0.1 RR and you can have a 100% win rate, but I don't know if you mean that words, but how are you, Darius? Have a good one, man. You too, Kevin. Have a nice night in Marbella, man. I'll speak to you. I'll send you a message after the stream, man. How can I enable dark mode on FX Repay? Go into settings. Yeah, here. Go back on this. So here, and then go on your manage account, and then it should be customizations, and then dark mode there. So yeah, great trade there. Go to the next day, which is Wednesday. ADP, NFP. So this NFP week, didn't even see that. Remove all this. So yeah, let's see where we're trading into now. So yeah, then again, I said we closed below this singular 2-hour BISI. Was it 2 hour, right? Yeah, singular 2-hour BISI, we closed below this, but NQ was at the time still holding this 30-minute, which didn't set anything yet. Because I at least have to see like a 1 hour BISI get inverted before I can switch my actual buys. Which is here. They react off of, like that was really choppy there. But now again, the draw is here. And here on yes. And then also the buy set up there. Let's see what time this is. Or what time news was. We have Biden speaking in the PM as well, which is after market hours. So that doesn't matter. Let's see what we have in here as well. Singular 2 hour there, which is all the way lower, which I don't expect it to go into. And 1 hour on, yes, that also doesn't really matter. Looking at the liquidity here, do a trend line here, and yes, it's actually crazy. Wow, look at that. But yeah, have those lows there, so maybe want to drop lower into those lows. But let's see here. Trading higher up here, and that's the buy side already, which is really unfortunate. That wasn't the whole buy side actually, but that's already one target. Let's see what we do here. One more. This is the 10 a.m. candle opening. Hopefully you can trade a bit lower before we actually go to the target. So candle opening here. Did you take any trades today? Oh wait. I'm good, thanks. Nice, Darius, nice. No, but you have an average of 1 to 5 hour with 75% rate, and every time you take a partial when going to break even. That's just from these trades, where it's like that's just 1 week of trades. Like that really, I've seen so many, or I have so much more data. Like if I could just see it entirely in here, like my average RR before I went to break even is this, that probably would be a really good one. Can I see that? I don't think I can. I'll deal average RR. I don't know what this is. That's on the winning trades. Could have profits. Oh wait, this doesn't work. This would have been it. The number of trades you had a risk greater than 1.5. Oh, you want this number? I really don't know. No, it's not there. Oh shit. Did you take any trades? Yeah, I took 1 trade, and it's actually it was a loss. I'm gonna make a what is it? A trade review, trade recap on that after this as well. You know I'm hating, but bro, I want the best for you. Yeah, of course, thank you. And you are, and if you can be fully honest with yourself and say, like this, my win rate is really good because of the break evens. 50%, I think that's really, really high. And then break even trades, total trades, like half of them are break even. And then in this case, a lot of those trades were break even, and then went to well, it was a break even trade, and then went on to go to my TP. But that's just this year. Like 2021 is just really pumping. And still it's profitable with it, that model. It's still profitable with it, but not all years are like this. Like there could be a year where IPP break even, and that's break even prevent me from getting a full stop out. So that's just compared to another year. Like this year is really pumping, so that's why. But you don't know that. That's why I just want to have one thing for everything. Nothing here. Still be looking for bullish prices here. Have lows on this. Nothing here. Did take out equal lows on this, but there's nothing there. Really not moving in tandem here. Taking out equal lows on this, have no inversion on here. What time is this? No. Oh, actually, wait. And yeah, that is one. Wow. No, bro, setting a break even is alright, but every time you set a break even, like a 1-1, take a partial. That would be also like how much? Like 1-1, I take a partial. That would be taking, so yeah, maybe, yeah. Whereas that's really, I'm gonna definitely, that's something I really wanna like now change, but that would be really good. But that I will do at like the end of this year. Like if I've done entirely 2021, then I have 2023 data, 2021 data, and I can look from there. Okay, I have taken in all of those, in those 2 years, I've taken 500 trades, and I'm gonna line it all up like 500 trades. What RR is the average RR that I went break even, like exactly what you say, Whereas, and then get that out of it. Every trade executed. I have a quote that I took from MentFX. Every trade executed until a rule set is a win regardless of outcome. This is a good one. That's really is a good one. It's also something like journaling your trades and then not journaling your trades and then looking if that day you followed your rules. Either it's a win or it's a loss, but you followed your rules. Then you can look at the day as a winning day. So let's say you have a calendar. So let's say like this. And it's like this is a loss because I took 0.30%, but I followed my rules this day. Like I have this as well. Like here, properties. Where is it? Rules followed here. Put this on. It's yes. So this is a loss here, but it should be a winning day. You could also see it like that. I really like that as well. That's like the same thing. Place order here. Yeah, but Whereas, that's actually a really good one, what you said. I really wanted to do that, but I need more data for that. So that would be the break even up there. That's break even. So yeah, now it would be break even, and now I would take also like a 1-1. Like, but that's something like I have to get the average out of all of those trades. You know? Nothing here. This inside of a 1 or 3, then that would be full TP or first TP, which it isn't. So 1 or 2 first TP. Which will be here. Does look like I'm getting it now. Nice. See if I can. Oh shit! What the hell? See if I can take a partial at that TP. Yeah, nice, beautiful. 75% off there. And then now my full TP goes to that Tron liquidity, which is inside of a 1 to 10. And that'll be here, which is a 1 to 494. Would that be? No, wait, this is already taken on yes. That wouldn't be. So the draw liquidity is this on yes. And then also this on NQ. If it's inside of 1 to 10, it's outside of a 1 to 10, so it'll be a fixed 1 to 5 full TP, which is there. And then my draw liquidity is still there. So I actually want to see it run in there. Or the market closes, or I get stopped at break even. We'll see. Let's zoom this out here. And okay, let's see on ES there. Okay, so it has been taken there. Let's go a bit higher. So I can take my partial. Nice, there. Oh wait, actually it was taken on this candle. It should be a bit lower than that. Let's wait for a lower candle here. Yeah, nice there. That'll be 100% off there. So it'll be 1 and 2 first fixed TP here. And full TP at here. So ES was made more bullish than NQ again, which is crazy, but ES took 2.78. Yeah, beautiful. copy image. Oops. Yeah, exactly. I didn't know about SMT divergence, but when I start backtesting, it's a game changer. It really is. That's just like there's manipulation with structure, and then a manipulation, and then an SMT, and then if there's an SMT and you get the actual like reversal, then you with a with a manipulation like this manipulation, like you wouldn't know for sure, but if it was an SMT and a reversal, then that's just even more extra confidence. That's really good. Yeah, SMT is one of the strongest. Yes, yeah, SMT is definitely one of the strongest. Yeah, but yeah, it's not like I thought with the SMT as well, just like the Reaper with ICT-PD, right? I thought like, oh, the SMT, that's the golden nugget. That's the secret. If there's an SMT, then that's always a win, but it isn't, of course. Like there could be an SMT everywhere, but an SMT isn't anything without a narrative and without context. So that's just the same thing as everything else, but it is really strong. This is going to the next day. This is the day before NFP. So I'm not trading this day. This is definitely going to be taken out on NFP. Let's see. Oh, that already was taken out, of course. So yeah, again at all-time highs, really, really big push from here. Again, really, really bullish. So the targets are going to be now. So look at this. Look at that low. That was crazy. That's exactly the low. But yeah, target now. On ES, we took out all-time highs again. So this all structure I'm not looking at. Like now we again have an SMT, but we're just in a bullish trending market. Like I'm not calling tops in a bullish trending market. So either we do have an SMT here, but I don't care about it. It's not everything. It doesn't have the right context, but taking out all-time highs. So now my only target is going to be all-time highs here on NQ, or it's going to be low-hanging fruit, which is going to be this high. Then there's probably even more. Price it up there. Price it up there, trading a lower. Let's see where we're trading a lower into. Nothing here, but a really big lag here. We have a singular daily busy all the way there lower, so it does look, of course, it's already really, really bullish, but it does look really, really bullish just by looking at this then. And then on ES, we do have a singular busy all the way here, which I don't think we're gonna tap there, but just gonna look at structure now and liquidity. So just take all these equal lows here. Have an SMT with that. Let's see if you can get anything to the upside from here. Oh, what? Oh yeah, this again. Like that's so weird. That's why I have Euro and oh, is it actually? Yeah, that's why I have Euro and GBP on here as well, because Good Friday isn't a bank holiday on USD. But still, you can see it in the market that definitely the market is closed there. So that's why I have Euro and GBP on there. Good Friday and daylight saving time. But yeah, so no trading here. Go to the next day, which is Monday. I think sweep is the most crucial confidence for trade. I couldn't imagine entering without it. Yeah, that's something for me as well. Like before, I had the inversion model, and I was just looking at inversions without any real liquidity. That's why I have a minimal of equal lows for my liquidity. Like the same thing for me, whereas like just this that would work here, but I mean to take out equal lows, equalize there, but still, I would take like inversion that didn't have any sweep here. So this trade as well, like I see this happen a lot as well, where we're just trending lower off of. We're just trending lower, and I have a bearish draw on liquidity. And I've taken these trades so many times, and it failed so many times, and I saw this over and over again. It didn't have the right thing. So here, we're just trending lower from here, and then we have a draw on liquidity, and then react off some imbalance, and then have a singular inversion here, and then we close above below here, starting this sell side liquidity, which we were so close to, but we didn't sweep any liquidity. So yeah, if you don't see the liquidity, you're gonna be the liquidity, which is which is really true. And that's why I implemented in my model as well. It's 10 p.m. Gotta get your sleep. Yeah, really want to. Was about to end it here as well. But yeah, look at this. Whereas like this looks so good. Like so many break-even trades, but just if you could just look at this, like that would be. How can you look at this? It would just be looking at, wow, I made so much of this, but you don't know what I have been through that all those break-even trades. But if you don't think about them, which you shouldn't do because you shouldn't be thinking about, oh, I could have made so much money. But if you don't even look at this break-even trades, it's still a really profitable model. So what should I change? If it's not broken, don't fix it. Like, I'm really happy with this. Time will tell. Or time will pay in the real markets. Like, I'm fine with taking so many break-even trades. If this can be my actual curve, then I'm totally fine with taking all those break-even trades. Because I'm never actually in drawdown. Like, it's totally fine. But yeah, from the data, I could be looking for even more. Let's look at this data actually. What I have now. So this is actually not a good one. I should maybe even delete this because I don't know what it's gonna do after. Let's see. This is a break-even trade. I could have profited here. 1.5 or let's say let's start from the lowest, like 101 RR. I'm gonna do that for like 5 minutes and then I'm gonna go offline as well. So this is at least a 101 RR. I'm just gonna write that down. Let's go to Notion. And then make a new one. Or here. RR break even, could have profited. So let's start at 1 RR. See there is. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this really quick and I'm gonna go as well. Oh, that's that you were going there is. So let's see. Not the losses. Let's remove all this. Let's go to the break even. So here, how am I gonna do this? 101 RR. Let's make this bigger. I want this in capital letters. How do I do that here? 101 RR, and then it's gonna be worked. Didn't work. Okay, so I'm gonna make an X. Okay, or just 1. And then open up a new Notion. Go my break even. Okay, so got a 1-1 out of this, so 1 worked. Did I get a 1-1 out of this with it being break even? So this was a break even, this was a 1-1, yes. I was break even on here. Is this a 1-1? Let's go here so I can actually check. Alright, so stop loss here. No, wouldn't have worked there. So 1-1 didn't work. 1. Let's go to the next. That's definitely not a 1-1. Didn't work. 2. Break even was here. Didn't work. 3. It's actually a loss. Oh, that would be break even. Was this the... Yeah, there was a break even. But I think I actually took the loss on here. Which this should have been break even because of this. Oh no, this is break even. No, this is actually a loss. This shouldn't even be in here. Or be in here. So let's copy this. Let's paste this in here. Okay, let's see, where was I? Here. So yeah, that's definitely not... So already doesn't look good for taking a... Just by looking at this. That's the entry. So this would have worked. That would have definitely been a 1-1 RR. Don't know what you guys are saying. So break even is, yeah, so no trade. This would have definitely worked as well. Would have worked on here as well. That's for break even. That would have worked as well. That didn't work. Where's the break even on this? There was a break even on this. Oh. Didn't work. 6. Oh wait, actually. Oh yeah, that should still be like this. Okay. So here, that's break even. That would have worked. That would have worked out well. Wow, this actually looks really good. But this is just the trending market. I should do this for 2023 as well, but this is just for 2021. Wouldn't have worked here. Break even on this. Oh no. Yes, it on this candle, I think. That's a low. Yeah, so I think this is a 1-1. No, it definitely is a 1-1, so wouldn't have worked here. Wouldn't have worked here. Wouldn't have worked here. Wouldn't have worked here. Shit. This trade, like... Oh, we didn't hit TP. Yeah, definitely would have worked, yeah. Don't know for sure about this. Oh yeah, would have worked. Oh no, it wouldn't. I don't know if it would. Let's make it a bit bigger. It will be literally to the tick. I think it would have worked. I think it would have worked, yeah. Would have worked there as well. Wow. Right? Yeah, 100%. Okay, that's it. Wow, that's actually crazy. So this is just based on a 1-1. Which, yeah, I have to have a lot more data behind this because this is just 2021. And I know just by backtesting these few months, 2021 was just really bullish, just trending. So it could really be really good for this year. But for 2023, I know that it was like not really a crazy run as 2021. So I'd have to do that for 2021 or 2023 as well. But yeah, it's a nice way of doing this. So now I have a start. But yeah, I will end it here. But yeah, still, either way, looks really good. Yeah, gonna end here. Crazy, 6 people watching. Crazy, man. Yo, where is she still here? Whereas I was just doing what you said, just doing this for 2021. It would have worked 10 times here, and then didn't work 11 times here, which 10 times it worked, which is really good, but still. Yeah. Bro, what's the name of site you're using to follow news? It's Forex Factory. So I've downloaded here, but you can just look it up. It's forexfactory.com, and it's this one. So forexfactory.com, and then I have all these filters here. If you open this for the first time, then you have all these currencies. So Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, franc. So I just have euro, the Great British pound, and US dollar. And then I've set high impact folder news, and then medium impact folder news, bank holidays. And then this is low impact folder news. So I don't care about that. Apply filter. Then you have this. How did you get the FX Replay app? It's really simple. You go to FX Replay. It's not really an app. It's just it's really nice from just your browser. I think you can do it in like Google Chrome. I'm using Brave, which is literally Google Chrome. I think maybe on any one. So it's not here actually. Maybe I can delete it and then show it. Well, it should say next to here, next to these icons, it should say install. So I did the same for TopStepX. Let's go to a site. Let's do like YouTube or like I think anything really. Let's see. So here to all next to this, you guys can see my recommendations now. So here it says install YouTube, and then you install it, and then it comes, I don't know where, like on your desktop, and then I paste it in here. So I literally just TopStepX, put it into start, and then it comes here. Yeah, it's really really nice. Just a wild guess there. It's paid for. But yeah, no. But I think what Darius meant was hopefully what I just explained, and I very appreciate it. Yeah, of course, Carlos, of course. Yeah, it's not really an app. It's just very convenient. Like you just put this on here, and then you have literally this TopStepX or yeah. I think it's a Windows 11 future. I don't know. Could be. Yeah. Yo, Julian, what's up, man? If half of your trades are break even, it's way better. What language was that? What do you mean? Where? It's way better to have 50% partial on everyone. Yeah, it does look really good from what I've done like right now. Like this is really good. But that's just 2021, and it's only, how many trades are this? Double 11, what are these? 10, so 21 trades. 21 break-even trades, and worked this amount of times, which is really a lot, really, really good. But yeah, I don't know for sure what it has with all the other years and months data. I really love looking at the data, but I just wish there was even more data. Average RR, but that's with the break even. Like the ideal average RR, that should also be accounted with when I go break even. So I go literally what I just did. Like I go break even, but I was in like a 1-to-1 RR, and then I could have, my ideal average RR would be this much, you know. But this isn't really, yeah, that could be better. As default of your PC was like German or something, right? It's Dutch. It's Dutch, yeah. I thought I actually had it in English. It's Dutch. Yeah. I thought I had it in English. I don't even know. Gonna change it. Oh, I'll do that later. When you backtest, won't you remember the stuff from the last sessions? No, I've I don't remember it. No, really, I don't. I've taken. Oh, this isn't the right one. This is 2023. I have 309 trades out of this. I have a lot of data out of this. It's not just that one, but I have way more. And I really don't. I really don't remember it now. That's why I have Notion, and I've put everything in Notion here, with all my data. So it's all in here. These are all the wins. It's not even loading. These are all the losses / break evens. And now I made a separate map because I would have to figure out all of this here, which actually wasn't. Should have made that from the beginning, but yeah, that's also a learning, something I could learn from. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here, boys. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Honestly, really appreciate you guys are here. Honestly, so much more motivation. Like, I wouldn't say it's still that I'm motivated to backtest, but it's, I would say, discipline now. But still, you guys honestly get the motivation because the time goes so quick when there's when I can talk with you guys. But yeah, see you guys. Have a nice night or a great day or a nice day.